Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete a Gmail account permanently. First of all, you can open Google browser. I can already open the Google. After opening the Google, you can just simply tap on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can now tap on manage your Google account, and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply go to the data and privacy, and here after a few seconds of loading you can just simply scroll down and down, and in the download or delete your data section you can now tap on delete a Google service. And after this loading you can just simply tap on try another way or enter your password. After entering the password you can see the different apps here. You can just simply click on the delete option that is next to the Gmail app, and this is the way you can delete Gmail account permanently. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.